Okay, Viraj, what are we making today?
Scrambled eggs.
What do we need for that?
3 eggs.
Okay.
Your choice. How
Okay.
many eggs? And milk.
Okay.
And we need a pan which is kind of curved.
Mm-hmm.
And a stir.
Will this do?
Yeah, that will do.
Okay.
And we can do a pan which is kind of why am I using that again? Okay, so we can use stir. We can use a spoon or fork for that.
Mm-hmm.
And then we need a flipper thing where you make pancakes.
Okay.
And I think that's all you need.
Alright.
So I'm going to show you all the ingredients. So here's the curved pan. Here's the flipping thing. And here's the milk. And where's the eggs?
Okay, we just added the eggs in the bowl.
Oh yeah, we just added. And we added also milk. So it looks like this. We have to keep on stirring. And so it becomes kind of like a yellow milk. Well, it looks like it's almost done.
Can I put the gas on?
Yeah. I just learned how to switch on the heat. So let me just, probably will need it at 6. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so now I cut some butter. Let's just put it in. Let's just put it all around the pan for it to melt.
Yeah, and be careful so that your hand doesn't touch the pan.
Yeah. Do you think I should melt the whole butter?
Yeah, it'll melt on its own. So maybe you can leave it and we can just turn on the heat a bit more so that it melts easily.
Okay.
And maybe we can stir it a bit more while that melts. I'll help you move this butter around so that the whole pan is greased with butter and the egg doesn't stick on it.
Okay, so now the butter is melted in, and now the next step is we're gonna pour the eggs in. So careful because it, yeah, 4. Good. Okay, now let's stir a little bit. Yeah, probably with this.
Yeah, and we can increase the heat a bit more from 4 to 6.
Yeah. So
I think it's solidifying the egg, right?
Yeah.
Because of the heat.
So I'm gonna keep on stirring. You see the egg is solidifying? Here's the egg. I think we have to wait a few more minutes. So the next step, since it's scrambled eggs, I have to scramble the eggs. So come on, eggs. Do you think it's gonna come out good?
I think so. It looks yummy to me already.
You can add salt and pepper. Put the salt and pepper on the table because then you can, since we didn't add any salt or pepper. Now look like it's about done. Let me just get every single egg because I want to taste every single bite. Because what if one side tastes sweet and the other tastes sour? Okay, so now I don't want it to get burnt. So let's just turn off the heat. And let's just taste a tiny bit first. Yeah. I'll take one more for me. Okay. Add salt. It's ready now. So I'll add salt and pepper. But I like ketchup with it. Your choice. So time to eat. Bye.